Do you think you know everything about SEL? Just wait till the end. So, what is the SEL?
Social and emotional learning, SEL, is an integral part of education and human development. We cannot separate it from education. It must go on together. SEL is the process through which all young people and adults acquire and apply the knowledge, skills, and attitudes to develop healthy identities, manage emotions, and achieve personal and collective goals, feel and show empathy for others, establish and maintain supportive relationships, and make responsible and caring decisions. SEL has rigorous and meaningful curriculum and need to community partnership at school, family, community to establish learning environments. As a result, it helps educational equity and excellence, but it needs trusting and collaborative relationships.
Now, let's see how the school is applying SEL.
We have been applying SEL for many years in our school. We have homeroom sessions in our elementary department and advisory hours in our high school department. This is when the teachers discuss the weekly SEL lesson with the students. Our SEL team prepares and shares lesson plans with the teachers a week before the implementation. The lesson plan consists of videos, activities, games, and discussion topics. We send letters to our parents weekly to inform them about SEL activities as well.
And why SEL is necessary for the students?
Research confirms, and teachers, parents, and principals, school managers agree that social and emotional competences can be taught, modeled, and practiced and lead to positive student outcomes that are important for success in school and in life. We cannot imagine that somebody does not have relationship skills or doesn't have empathy for others or universal values. Responsible decisions making. So, school should apply SEL, social emotional learning, to the students to be equipped with all these values.
How can you evaluate the students?
Evaluation is one of the key elements in SEL implementation. We evaluate our students within certain periods. Teachers observe their students before the evaluation time. They fill the survey about the students' social and emotional well-being. The school shares the result with the parents. Our SEL team takes action with the students who are in need category.
Now let's talk about the benefits of SEL.
People with strong social and emotional skills are able to cope with everyday challenges and benefits academically, professionally, and socially, from effective problem solving to self-discipline, from impulse control to emotion management, and more. SEL provides a foundation for positive long-term effects on kids, adults, and community.
Can you tell us about the main topics of SEL?
In fact, people know that. Maybe they are not familiar with the concept and terminology. When we say character building, universal values, and relationship skills, they all remember that. SEL includes all of them. SEL main topics are self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship skills, and responsible decision-making. Of course, they have their subtitles with a lot of activities, videos, and games as well.
Can you tell us about the program that the school uses to evaluate the students?
We use an SEL evaluation program which is called Panorama. This kind of tools helps us to evaluate our students with all aspects, follow the progress of them, and provide resources to improve their SEL skills. The program offers students self-evaluation surveys as well.
How can teachers and parents apply it?
SEL skills begin with modeling SEL practices, so you can make a big difference at home. Children will not see the value of developing SEL skills if they don't see them being lived out in adults they respect. Make a point of talking about how you see these skills in your day-to-day life with simple things like keeping a calendar to manage your time and commitments, setting goals to yourself, and trying to use different approaches when you are working through a problem, so you can model strong SEL skills in your interaction with your child by sharing your feelings and avoid judgmental comments.
This is just the beginning, so stay tuned.